MacBook Pro A1990 reprogramming T2 RAM reprogramming. This is our T2 RAM. We connect in our programmer. Smart identify, BIOS detected, open file, T2 original data, T2 ROM, all T2 ROM 1990 second number, original data dot bin, open and program. First erasing chip, MacBook Pro A1990 T2 ROM programming, erasing and writing now. This is a MacBook board and unable to power on. Due to unable to power on, we have to reprogram the BIOS, T2 BIOS, very tiny T2 BIOS. Writing, programming done. Let's connect and check problem is solved or not. Thank you. Done now. Let's reprogram. Program is done now. Let's connect the BIOS and check. Restoring system. It's convert now 5 to 20 volt. See, fan spin and process 4 of 4. Apple logo. System is powered on. DFU process now complete and need to now install the Mac OS. We replace the SSD on this Mac. We replace SSD 512 GB and now it's on. We have to install the OS now. Thank you.